Alright guys, sorry, keep watching the video, it turns out better. I'm going to start the pig up. I figure I need a Crown and Coke before I started this program, and I can't reach for a cup to save my life. It's 1 o'clock on a Friday. I'm very, very bored, so I figure I'd throw this little clip together. All I could have was my iPhone. My GoPros are dead. I froze batteries this winter. They swelled. They won't hold a charge now. My computer crashed, so I'm using my iPhone to edit. Oh well, it works out. Yeah, you could have poured a little more than that. You wuss, just put the whole thing in. Whatever. So yeah, stay tuned. Watch it. I'll be firing the Ranger up, and then at the very end there's a couple little clips of me driving it down the back road, so you can hear it dump some boost.
Guys?
Alright, enjoy.
It is 1 o'clock on Friday afternoon and I'm bored as shit. So I figured I'd do an update video. I can't find my little selfie stick thing, so you're getting a close-up of my face today for 2 seconds till I flip the camera around and you can see this, which is right about now, if I can figure it out. Stupid phones. Alright. Sad to see. Can't zoom out anymore. And the wind's got to start blowing. What a surprise. Hopefully there ain't too much wind noise for you headphone users and whatnot. The old Ford Ranger. Remember when we were building this? I haven't touched it in probably 2 years. Put a house in. Had to move in a lot of things in life. So I'm gonna stop the video here and start over when the wind quits. Yeah. Since the wind's blowing, we'll just do it this way. Batteries are heavy. Alright, now we're ready to start this thing. But first, let's talk about it. I'm standing over here now because the wind's blowing over there and that tarp's noisy and you probably can't hear me. So here's the old Ford Ranger. She's 86 four-wheel drive, short bed, 4-cylinder is what it's originally was. I rolled it, put this 87 cab on it. God, I hope you can hear me over this wind. I'm trying to stand out of it. 87 long bed, cab and front clip. It was a full driving Ford Ranger. It's been sitting for 2 years. Had a lot going on in life, but pulled it in the shop to put a fuel pump in it, and I pulled it out of the shop a year later like this. It's got a full cage. I built myself. I didn't video any of it because I'm an idiot. I still got to put the seat belts in. I got to bolt the seats in still. I put new floor pans in it, but that wasn't really worth it. And then if you look in here, the roll cage bar goes under the floor because I cut the floor out, rolled the floor down. Those 2 brackets are for seat belts. I rolled the floor down so I can get my big ass in here. I put touchscreen, navigation, stereo, CB. It's a 5-speed manual, 4-wheel drive. I'm a big guy, it's hard for me getting out, so we got the quick release steering wheel. She still needs some love. Now, not only is the wind blowing, but these guys are gonna fly by while I'm making a video. Darn it. Know what they want. Oh, I gotta zoom back out. I couldn't find my selfie stick today, as they probably said. I got my Monster Attack there just because I can. I'm gonna shift light here. Put a new windshield in it. I gotta get the top of the dash cut. I got it. It's somewhere in all this shit. I built a little bed for it. Homemade fenders. Here comes the wind noise again. I put on a piece of drill steel rear bumper. I made some rock sliders for it. Nothing too crazy. Soon, this is just kind of That's broken. I guess I'll have to cut a little chunk of that out when I'm just thinking, because this damn wind won't stop blowing. I'm trying to stand close to the house. Ah, wind died down for a second. Let's hurry up, talk. I want to start building this again, but I ran out of money, so here we are. I tubed in the whole front end. Front clip's been cut off. I'll just talk louder since the wind's blowing louder. We put square tubing up here, mounted a winch, built a bumper. You see there's no fenders, it's all open. Still need to finish all that. This is a 2.3 liter 4-cylinder out of a 87 Ford Thunderbird. That's why the wiring looks like that, is because I took the wiring harness out of the Thunderbird and put it in the Ranger. I do have my headlights working. I'm running 22 pounds of boost on this right now. If my tires weren't flat, I'd air it up and take you guys for a spin. But I have a couple little clips of mobbing around in it. Aluminum TIG welded radiator. Big intercooler down in, there it is, down there. Just a chunk of junk that I need to finish someday. Missing a mirror. I did put a new windshield in it though. And then just for shits and giggles, we put a fart can off a ricer on it. I'll keep this short and sweet. I'll fire it up in a second. Hopefully the battery's good. Let's give this a shot. She's had some rough miles on her, boys and girls. Well, I got a fuel pump. Oh, I had to put, the cam seal's bad and I flattened one lobe on this cam so far, so this is my second cam. It's got a naturally aspirated cam in it right now. Hopefully these videos start doing good, start monetizing. Got the S-Slinger adjustable cam gear on it. It looks like it's wobbling, but it's because there's paint on it. It runs pretty good. It's got shit vibrating. And there's the 8675 Ford Ranger Thunderbird Turbo Coupe. Beater, turn around, walk over here in the wind some more. She needs some love. Hopefully I can start building it. The plans for this truck after everything calms down is 4 Lincoln, moving the front end forward, the back end forward, bobbing the tail. I should have went with an exoskeleton. If you guys want to see a video series when I start working on it again, let me know down in the comments. Drop a like, share it. I don't really care. And if you want to subscribe, more power to you, bud. I'll post some more videos. The last one I had of this video truck was, I think I was pulling a T-post out with like 30 horsepower, barely running, and it was a joke. I'll get some video. I'll post some clips of it driving right now. Have a good day.